What's up, YouTube? I will be giving an update on this house to all my viewers and subscribers. This is the part 9 series of video about this house. In earlier videos, we give many information about this house coming up. So today we will be taking a tour of the newly finished spacious home with modern and elegant look. If you are new here, do remember to like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Stay tuned for this tour. Welcome back. As we step inside, you will immediately notice the open, airy feel of the living space. The high ceiling and large windows flood the room with natural light, creating a warm and living atmosphere. This spacious room are perfect for entertainment, entertaining guests, or simply enjoying a quiet evening at home. Moving into the heart of the home. Yes, the kitchen boasts modern amenities that any chef would love. Countertop will be finished in granite style to a state of the art look, with kitchen both functional and stylish, adjoined with dining area ideal for family meals and hosting parties. As you can see, this is an open floor settings with several pillars to give this home a modern and elegant look. As we move towards the bathroom with glass shower enclosure and modern tiling indicate that this construction is of high standard. The finishing is high standard. This home offers generously sized bedroom, each designed with comfort and relaxation in mind. The elegant finish continues in the bathroom, where you will find luxurious fixtures and plenty of space to unwind after a long day. As you can see, this home was properly designed with a modern and elegant look. Now we are approaching the back porch or the back veranda. Yes, so this house consists of a front and a back porch. So just giving you a view at the back. So as you know, this house as newly built. So this is a tour of this stage of the house, the finishing of the house. Tell me what you think. If you think this video is educational or interested, please leave a like, leave a comment, share with family and friends, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. As you can see, this house is of high standard with the floor, porcelain tile, high ceiling with recessed light, metal windows with grills, burglar bars, spacious bedroom. So this house consists of 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom, 2 kitchen, and this is just the lower section of this house. The upper section hasn't complete as yet. So it's a 2-story house. This is just the first. So bathroom of high standard with metal enclosure, the concrete pillars perfectly dressed and paint, the floor are shine. Yes, this is a good look. One of the highlights of this property is its scene environment nestled in the peaceful setting of this home, offering a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee on the porch, surrounded by nature. Whether you're looking for a family home or a perfect retreat, this property has it all. Spacious room, elegant finish, and a tranquil setting make this home perfect place to call home. Thank you for joining me on this tour. Be sure to watch the full video for all the details, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more home tours like this. See you in my next videos. Until then, peace. Thank you for watching. Highly appreciate it.